If you are trying to decide between passion twists and kinky twists for your next hairstyle, you are not alone. Both are trending everywhere right now. But depending on the vibe you want, one is definitely going to be your winner. Welcome back to Locks. Today, let's quickly break down what makes this two twist style unique so you can pick the perfect look. Passion twists use silky water wave extension to give you that soft boho glam texture. They are super lightweight, look effortlessly messy chic, and are perfect if you love long, coily, vacation-ready hair. On the other hand, kinky twists use textured afro or Mali hair that blends seamlessly with your natural coil. Right now, short kinky twist bobs and styles with coily tips are huge. They give you that full, authentic look that holds up amazingly well over time with barely no maintenance. So which are you going for? Boho passion twists or classy kinky twists? Drop your vote in the comments. And which do you prefer to use? Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to share to your loved ones, your sister, your brother, girlfriend, your mom, or anyone who you think will find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.